Google just mass fired an entire team of junior developers. Not because they were bad, because one AI agent built in LangGraph did their job in 11 minutes. And the scary part? Building that agent takes less than 50 lines of code. Right now, LangGraph is the single most in-demand AI framework on the planet. It went from 0 to 60,000 GitHub stars in under a year. Companies are paying 6 figures to developers who know it, and most people still have no idea what it even does. Here is exactly what it does. LangGraph lets you build AI agents that think in steps. Not just chatbots, agents. Things that make decisions, use tools, call APIs, browse the web, write code, and correct their own mistakes. All without you babysitting them. I'm going to show you how to build one from scratch. No fluff, just the blueprint. But stick around because there is one secret configuration most tutorials skip that separates a toy demo from a production-grade agent. Step 1. Install LangGraph. Open your terminal. Type pip install langgraph langchain-openai. 2 packages. You now have everything you need. Step 2. Understand the core idea. LangGraph works like a state machine. You define nodes. Each node is a function that does something. Then you draw edges between nodes to control the flow. The agent moves node to node, making decisions at each step. Think of it like a flowchart that actually runs. Node 1 calls an LLM. Node 2 searches the internet. Node 3 decides if the answer is good enough or loops back to try again. That loop is the killer feature. Traditional chains go in a straight line. LangGraph loops, it retries, it self-corrects. That is what makes it an agent and not just a pipeline. Step 3. Define your state. State is a dictionary passed between every node. It holds conversation history, tool results, and any variables your agent needs. Define it once using a typed dict. Simple. Step 4. Build your first node. Create a function called call_model. It takes the state, pulls out the messages, sends them to GPT or Claude, and returns the response. That is your brain node. Step 5. Add a tool node. Say you want your agent to search Google. Define a search tool using LangChain's tool decorator. Then create a tool node that runs whatever tool the LLM decides to call. The agent picks the right tool on its own. Now here's the part nobody tells you, the conditional edge. Step 6. Add a should_continue function. After the LLM responds, check if it wants to call a tool. If yes, route to the tool node. If no, end the conversation. This one function gives your agent decision-making power. Without it, you just have a chatbot. Wire it up. Create a StateGraph. Add call_model as a node. Add tools as a node. Set the entry point to call_model. Add a conditional edge from call_model to either tools or the end. Add a normal edge from tools back to call_model. Compile the graph. 7 lines of wiring. That is the entire skeleton of an AI agent. Now remember that secret I mentioned? Checkpointing. Add a memory saver checkpointer when you compile the graph, and your agent gets persistent memory across conversations. It remembers what happened last time. Most tutorials ignore this and wonder why their agent feels brain dead after every restart. 1 line of code, memory saver. Add it to the compile call. Your agent now has long-term memory. Step 7. Run it. Call the compiled graph with a message like, "Find me the latest AI research papers on multi-agent systems." The LLM thinks. It decides to search. The tool fires. Results come back. The LLM summarizes. It responds. All automatic. You just built a reasoning loop that companies charge enterprise clients thousands a month to access. Now scale it. Add more tools. A code executor, a file reader, a database connector. Each one is just another node and another edge. The graph grows, but the pattern stays identical. Want multiple agents working together? LangGraph handles that. Create subgraphs. One agent researches, another writes, a third reviews. They pass state between them like a relay team. That is the multi-agent architecture everyone keeps talking about. The developers who learn this now will be untouchable for the next 5 years. The ones who wait will be competing against the agents themselves. You have the blueprint. Build it tonight. Thank you.